Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. Alright guys, today I'm gonna be cleaning up the garden and I'm also gonna be harvesting. This is chocolate mint, smelling beautiful. I have my bucket ready. So I'm gonna be filling this bucket with mint, different type of mint. Also gonna harvest some citrus as well. So I'm just showing you guys how I walk in the garden, how I put in the work in order to get this kind of production. On this channel, I'm trying to motivate people, help people, give them the spirit, the garden spirit, the vibes of growing something. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace. Yes guys, so far still have a lot more. Mint does really well in the spring. So you want to try to get as much harvest as possible in the spring, because when the sun starts coming out, they still produce but not as fast as in the spring. So in the spring, you want to try and get as much harvest as you can. All right, so I'm gonna be grateful for this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna air dry these mint and put them in a container or a seal bag and just leave it there for the spring. Okay, so I'm going to harvest some sisho now that you can see again. Give me a... Okay, so this is a heap of shisho that I have. I have a lot more to harvest, but you know, I got to air dry them, so I got to take my time. But these are young leaf. These are the young leaves, so these you could eat them in salad. They're very tasty. They have such a flavor. Yeah, and the leaf is, they have this flavor, so you could mix it with your lettuce, your tomato, and it gives us, it produces such a beautiful flavor within the salad. Sisho, do your research on sisho. You could also use sisho and for tea. Sisho have a lot of benefit. All right, so just like that, we have mint, we have sisho, and there's so many other things to harvest right at this moment.